bro. We headed out real quick. We about to go meet up with my buddy with his GTR. He's got a T-Spec 1 of 50. We're about to go meet up with him. Check out the new garage too. Finally moved. I finally got a garage, which is fucking awesome. But here, let's get on the road. All right, so like I said, we better go meet up with Alden. He's only a few minutes down the road, and then we're gonna go out for a little cruise, maybe take a couple of photos. But finally moved in. That shit was I'm not gonna lie, that shit was kind of AIDS moving in. I hate moving. Like, that shit takes so long. I gotta pack everything up, unpack it, figure out where everything's gonna go in the new place, get everything like all situated. It's just a hassle, you know. That's why I haven't made a video in a minute. I'm gonna eventually get beamer coat as well and do a video like coating the whole entire car. That's like probably gonna be the next video. I need to purchase it still though. I didn't even really plan for this. My buddy, I was showing him my YouTube last night. He's like, oh shit, we should start making videos. So he went up and got a GoPro today. I hope they have the mount I want too for my 360 cam, because I want to get one of those out, a video with the 360 cam. My mount busted. Luckily it wasn't on the car when it broke. It was when I was going to put it on the car, I noticed it was broken. If I start driving and that shit fell off and broke my camera, I would have been pissed. Yeah, if we get pictures, I need to get a wash. Bad. Like, my doors are black. Alright, we about to pull it up. This dog taking a shit. Is he not even here? What the hell? Alright, bro was, he's parked. Oh shit. Alright, bro was parked on the other side. Alright, now we're on the way to Best Buy. He needs to pick up a couple of things for his GoPro. And I want to look at the GoPro sticks for the 360 cam. Yo, this thing is so clean. So it looks green now too, but if you look at it like from a different angle, this shit'll look like straight purple. Let's get some purples going too. I don't know what's done to this thing either. I think it's stock. I don't know for sure. I think it's stock. And then he has Boost Logic exhaust on it. But I think like everything else, like power wise, I think it's just stock. Yep, parked all the way in the back. It actually doesn't look too bad. No? It don't look too bad.
I mean, it's a lot, but ready?
Yeah. You know where some windy roads are?
I do.
Let's go to those.
I'm trying to think how to get there.
All right, here we go. Finally finished all the errands we had to run. And he got his GoPro. He's using an external mic though. He's using one of those like external Rode mics. I'm gonna have to get one. I got a brand new pole for the 360 cam. The pole is a lot higher quality too. The other one's from Amazon, but this is like an actual GoPro branded pole. But it felt super sturdy. Super sturdy compared to the other one. It's like a little flimsy, and like the part that broke off, it was literally like super glued in. This one actually like twists in, so I actually feel like a lot safer having my camera on the back now. But right now we're going to a road, like a little twisty road. I think to get some pictures as well. He has his camera with him. Airbag light. Since I took the seats out, I got some like airbag light, and I thought I had to go to the dealer to get it cleared, but what, like a month and a half later, the shit just disappeared on its own. So that's cool, because I already know the dealership would have taxed me like 150 bucks just to clear a code. That's gonna take them 2 seconds, and for some reason I couldn't do it in the ECU Tech app. It's gone, left on its own. So bunch of corn. Dude, that's all Pennsylvania is. Straight cornfields and grapes. Those pops don't get old, but I don't like when they pop for like a long period of time, like when it's like way too OD. Like I just like a couple pops. But I was also enjoying it with no pops. Like I turned them all off. You can just hear the turbo spool way more, which I also like that. Like, I don't know. I like both of them. I guess it just depends when I wake up that day what I'm feeling, to be honest. Do I need an intake for this thing? It's like you don't need it. It's really not necessary, like to tune the car, but really you're just buying it for the engine noise or for like the intake noise, which I want some more noise, and you'll hear more spool because in the stock intake they have like a little silencer in there. Toyota's kind of lame for that, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully I can get out right behind him and not have someone in front of us.
Imagine I go now and just fuck him. Yeah, I should have fucking went. I fucked up. Fuck it, Brandon. I'd find you. I'll find you, dog.
Damn, man. It's all good. But y'all have no idea how excited I am for this new apartment. Like, I put down my deposit. Like, I signed the lease for this thing like damn near 3 months ago, and let me tell you, dude, that wait was one of the worst things. It was like just as bad as like me going to pick this car up. Actually, probably a little worse because I hopped on this car pretty quick. That shit was like literally a 3-month process. But now that I have the garage, I can actually keep this thing clean. I have not washed it yet since I moved. I've been so busy. You know, I had to buy like a kitchen table set and like unpack all my stuff, so that took some time. So I really haven't been able to clean this thing, but maybe today I'll go to the car wash and clean it and then take it home, actually like coat it. All right, we going left. Motherfucking T-spec. She looks purple. That paint combo is crazy. But I did not hook at all right there. Like, I need new tires so bad. I think I'm just gonna get some Nittos and a damn stud conversion and wheel spacers. Creamland. Actually, we might be going right up here. He's shooting rocks at me. Thank God I got that PPF. Dude, that 3rd to 2nd is insane. I knew we were about to turn here. This is a vibe, dude. I like being out here way more than the city, if I'm being honest. But no red lights and a lot less traffic. Like, we're just chilling out here. He's got a setup on his head. He's got the external mic, so he has a big ass case. I couldn't imagine having all that on your hat. Yep. He's on that time. I thought that way was good. I think we went left though instead of right after we got on that road. Yeah, this is a good windy road. Oh, here we go. Little Porsche. Shit's bobbing around like Drake back there. we're pulling out of, we took some pictures at this abandoned gas station. And we're on our way home. I think he's just gonna break off at some point. I need to get some gas soon and a wash. We're gonna go cruise around a little more, and then me and my girlfriend are gonna go grab some food. This thing cut earlier too. This thing overheated, bro. Like, it is so annoying. This camera is so annoying overheating. He has the newest one, I think the 13. Damn. The selling point on this apartment was the garage, and then obviously like the second bedroom's nice, like office room. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've been grinding my balls off this year between, you know, getting this place and buying the Supra. But you know, obviously it's all worth it. You know, it kind of sucks in the moment putting in the hours, but at the end of the day, I mean, it's all worth it because now I'm living in like a nice place, driving a nice car. Let me know what rents are like in your guys' area. Right now I'm paying for like a pretty good area, 2-bed, 1.5 bath townhouse with, like, you know, the garage. I'm paying $1,400, and then I have to pay gas and electric as well, and I guess Wi-Fi. I don't know. I know some like communities, they'll give you like community Wi-Fi, but no, I just got my own line of Wi-Fi, which is only like 50 bucks a month. And then once I get this channel monetized, this will all be able to be a tax write-off as well. Like anything I buy for the channel, anything I put on the car, it's all gonna be a tax write-off. This thing looks so good. Has like a dark green leather interior, carbon ceramic brakes. I mean, these rotors are absolutely huge. What, he has a bunch of carbon on the inside as well. The wing on the back is dry carbon. Hope this GoPro ain't about to overheat again. I'm just trying to keep it nice and cool. Oh yeah, right there, that's money. That's money. We got a little Mercedes joint up here. Yeah, you better go home?
Yeah, I'm gonna go home, see what she needs and whatnot, and then we can meet up later or something.
Alright, that's fine.
Okay, bro?
Alright,
brother.
I'll catch you. Yeah, bro, I told you guys that dude got a unit on his head. Bro, how heavy is that thing?
This?
Yeah.
It ain't that bad. My head's numb.
Dude, I'll have to show you a picture. It's massive, bro. Is this an accident or someone getting ripped out of the car? It looks like someone's getting ripped out of the car. Someone's going to jail. Well, I think I'm about to end this shit here because I'm about to be home. So, yeah, peace.